Today is July 31st. Now it's after 11 p.m. And then I see Brian and then work at Jessica Rich's house. And this is the second house from Patton Street near the joint of the creek. And then Brian, can you tell me what how's the worker why you're here and your where you're from?
Me and my company's out of Princeton, under construction. We're putting down subfloors and hardwood flooring, volunteer work.
Thank you so much for helping Jessica and of us.
Well,
We really appreciate it, and then you're working so hard. I'm just going to take a picture. Is that okay?
yeah,
Okay.
come on.
Okay. Wow. Look there. So your company is under construction.
Yeah.
Very nice name. This is new.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. Wow. And then
And all the way throughout the downstairs. And new subfloors in 2 days.
That's incredible. So how many people you have? Your name, sir? Yeah.
I'm William.
William. Thank you for helping.
Oh, you're
I
welcome.
have
And
four.
okay. Wow.
Right there's RJ.
How many hours been putting it here? A lot, and lots of hours, right?
I worked till 9:30 yesterday night,
Wow.
7 to 9:30, and today we've been in here since 6:30 and we still probably got an hour and a half left.
My gosh, like a 1 day, 2 day work in 1 day or something. Wow.
That's RJ.
Wow. RJ, hey, thank you.
You're welcome.
Wow. My gosh, this is beautiful. Thanks so much.
We put in 1 hour today.
Wow. It's incredible. It's incredible. I'm just very, I want to see the neighbors, like, their job getting done, getting closer to back home. I'm just happy for my neighbors. Thank you very much.